myself Deganesh. I am studying in 8th standard. We are from Blossom School.
Hello everyone, myself Lakshmi Karthik, studying in 8th standard Blossom School. Today we are here to explain about the accident prevention system using ultrasonic sensor and buzzer. This system enhances the vehicle safety. It can be activated on the roadsides and the vehicles also. This is the hilly regions are more hazardous.
The components of this system is two ultrasonic sensor, buzzer components, application, sharp turn, microcontroller application, sharp turn, reverse parking enhances, illustration, key features, dual ultrasonic sensor, real time detection, time, cost effective.
This is Arduino Uno buzzer and ultrasonic sensor. We are thanking our Secretary D. Shishkumar sir, the IOT team for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you.